Hello and welcome to the course. Thank you so much for enrolling, and I guarantee you've made a life-changing, amazing decision to enroll in this course. I'm now going to go over all of the benefits that you are going to gain from taking this course and how your life is going to change when you apply this information to becoming a super learner. So what are some of the things that I promise you as my student, and how is your life going to change for the better because of this course? Well, first off, you're going to receive hours of high quality content. I have poured my heart and soul into making some amazing videos for you using top technology and using some very high quality videos that I have been able to find in multiple different areas and using HD cameras myself. You're also going to get a self-development community that I have begun to build here on Udemy. I have over 5,300 students. My students have taken multiple other of my Udemy courses here and have given me 87 positive reviews, and it's just a very awesome, exciting community for you to join into. You're also going to receive some personalized teaching from me, not only through my lectures, but if you ever have any questions, I am here to help and to serve you. Please message me or please post a discussion. I check the discussions every day, multiple times a day, and I'm constantly giving my students feedback and helping them throughout the course. I have also been named a first-class instructor here on Udemy. In fact, Udemy has named me one of their top instructors, and they are constantly asking me to create more high-quality courses, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I love creating these courses, and my students have really enjoyed them as well. What are some of the other things that you're going to be able to benefit and learn from this course? Well, first off, you're going to understand learning better. This course shows you how to become a super learner. You're also going to understand and have a better mindset, hopefully, by the end of this course, and I will show you how much potential you have. You're also going to learn about some neuroscience of how learning works and how your brain works to really speed up your learning. I also provide a learning process in one of our sections that's really going to break down learning for you and have you learning at a much higher level. I then have some motivational and inspirational lectures for you that are really going to get you to take action and really see some results from this course. And towards the end of the course, I have some free bonus lectures where I take some topics that maybe don't fit in some of the other sections of the course, but feel that they offer enough value to you and I want to include them. Also, if you have any questions that you post on the discussion board and I think that I can make a lecture out of them, I will make an announcement and then post that in the free bonus lectures of the course. So that's another great way to get involved. It's to post in the discussion, and then I could take your question or concern and make a whole lecture out of it and put it in the free bonus lectures. Now, these are just a few of the things that you're going to be able to benefit from this course, and there is so much more that you're going to be able to gain by taking the rest of this course. So let's not waste any more time. Let's dive right in and start the course.